dedicated to quality and smart manufacturing. Wujiang Jinlong Electric Appliance Company Limited provides one-stop electrical motor solutions. The constant progress of science and technology is changing our life. As the professional manufacturer, which is dedicated to R&D of the engines of washing machine, Wujiang Jinlong Electric Appliance Company Limited. Dedication creates the soul of quality. We adhere to the design concept of energy saving, environmental protection, and the flexibility to produce high-precision, low-noise, high-performance, and long-life products. We enable each design to come close to humanity and intelligence with a spirit of dedication and ingenuity. Professionalism creates products of high quality. In the selection of materials, we keep improving each detail. Each batch of silicon steel sheet, copper, aluminum, and magnetic materials will not be used in the production until they pass the strict inspection. We designed the whole production line based on the concept of intelligent manufacturing, positively introduced advanced technology, and realized intelligent manufacturing at three major processes: assembly, testing, and packing. Some of the assembly functions of our equipment can be changed as per the requirements of clients to better adapt to the customized production requirements. Each batch of products have passed the CCC, CE, and SGS certifications and the RoHS inspections, thus successfully realizing the low noise in a variable frequency operation and enabling motors to operate in a high-efficient and environmental-friendly manner. We comply with highest standards in the industry and produce micro motors mainly for washing machines, fans and oil smoke suction, and discharging machines. We always pursue the highest quality and try to provide you with professional products. Excellent products come from the powerful strength of the enterprise. Located at Wujiang City, Jiangsu Province, Wujiang Jinlong Electric Appliance Company Limited commenced its manufacturing of electrical motors since 1979. As the leader in the production of electrical motors in China, the company has for many years enhanced its production capacity. Currently, it has more than 60 sets of large and small pressing equipment, churning out the annual output of 100 million yuan. Its products have smoothly entered the international markets and sell well in more than 20 countries and regions such as East Europe, Southeast Asia, South America, Africa, and the Middle East. We are dedicated to production of micromotor accessories and assist household appliance enterprises in the increase of their value. With higher quality products and sincere services, the company has got the trust and recognition of a number of clients. High efficiency, energy saving, and safety are what we pursued for many years, obtaining lots of honors and prizes. We believe that professionalism creates good quality, and quality will bring a better future. Although electrical motors are not so eye-catching, we, as a loyal, reliable, and well-respected enterprise, will team up with household appliance enterprises across the world to make the motors more energy efficient and the products more smart, and provide our clients with integrated solutions.